Hey guys, got a 2020 plate Kia Niro here. Just going to show you how to check the service remaining life on this one. So on this one, you're going to use the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the dashboard screen in front of us. From here, I'm going to press the menu button and keep going until you get to settings. Then scroll down until you get to service interval. Then clicking OK. And then here it's going to tell you when you next need a service. So this one, for example, is in 4,042 miles or 16 days.